On the Road Again vlog, brought to you by Burlington Automotive Group, Burlington Kia, Burlington Volkswagen, and Burlington Chevrolet. Today we are at the City of Burlington annual car show. Folks, if you have not been to this car show, it is spectacular. It is one of the greatest car shows in South Jersey. It is on the waterfront, a beautiful park. Bring the kids, bring the family anytime you can. It is just a wonderful place to visit. This is Officer K9 Haney with K9 Kobe.
There's a company that donated a protective vest that protects against bullets and stabs. Donated the vest to him when I first got him. Right now, that company is doing a contest where you can win a fully equipped Chevy Tahoe for him. So I am in the running for that. I am one of 30 contestants throughout the country. As far as the contest goes, it's the most votes in the month of October. Everybody can vote once a day. The website is BIK9S.org, and it should give you some prompts for the contest. So it's pretty cool. Kobe, say hi. Say hi. Huh? When he finds if there's anything in any of these bags, he will sit. We do not want the dog to try to bite the bag, pick the bag up, scratch the bag, because obviously that'll disturb the bag and we have problems. They're trained to go back to each bag and make sure that every bag is thoroughly checked. We don't want to check one and that'd be a dummy bag or something like that and nothing be in it. So that right there is called a positive indication. Next up we have Officer Tazinski and K9 Rico. One of these bags here has some type of narcotic in it. All right, so you'll see as well, K9 Rico is going to check every bag. Same as K9 Zero, he sits. Next up we have Officer Zuner and his partner K9 Tonto. K9 Tonto and K9 Kobe, my partner, are both patrol certified dogs. They don't have any scent detection work. We're just patrol certified.
As you can see, he automatically spotted the sleeve. Yes, we do train with the sleeve because it's kind of hard to train and get bit every single day. So that's why we need the sleeve. But the dog will still criminally apprehend somebody without a sleeve. And that's all it is. They are taught not to let go. I'm out of here. All right, Haney. Have a nice day.
Welcome back. I hope you enjoyed that dog demonstration. That is just terrific. We're here today with Elisa and Richard Schiller. Elisa is with the mayor's office, and she's going to tell us a little bit about today's event.
Well, thank you. I appreciate, first of all, Burlington Automotive has been our sponsor for 12 years now. So they are our main corporate sponsor. And what we do to do these shows is we raise money to support our police canine. And without these shows and the money that we raise, we wouldn't have anything. So right now we have 4 canines. And they just, as you saw the demonstration that we had today, so without these shows and the money coming in, that is what supports the only budget for the canine unit. So thanks to these shows, that's why we have the great unit that we have that are able to help not only our community, but the communities around us.
That's terrific. Thank you. Bridget, you want to tell us a little bit about the car show?
Yeah, we put the car show on, like I always said, for the canine unit. We reach out to all of the car collector guys, friends of mine, and all different types of car enthusiasts that come out to the show. They just love the show, the town. It's a nice community event. Everybody gets along, and it's a good fundraiser for the town.
That is terrific. Again, thanks, folks. We are at the City of Burlington. As I mentioned before, if you have not been to the City of Burlington, you must come visit. It's a great historic town. There are great restaurants, great stores, a beautiful park. It's on the Delaware. It's a great family destination. So make plans to come visit this great city sometime. You are here at On the Road Again, sponsored by the Burlington Automotive Group, and have a great day. We hope to see you again soon.